Take one.
G'day folks, I'm Mick from Ironman.
Cut!
G'day folks, I'm Mick van Zyl from Ironman 4x4. The question that I get asked most often by you guys is why I should fit an uprated suspension system to my 4x4. The standard suspension on your 4x4 was designed to work well in many applications. So the suspension engineer that designed the original suspension on the vehicle had quite a tough job. It had to operate well when the vehicle is empty, and it had to operate well when the vehicle is loaded. But what you find is when you have a vehicle that's loaded heavily like a typical overlanding vehicle, the shortcomings of the original suspension start coming to the fore, and that is where an aftermarket suspension system comes into its own. Essentially, suspension is divided into two items, the two most important items. One is the spring and the other one is the shock absorber. The spring carries the load of the vehicle, keeps the chassis of the vehicle off the bump stops, and it also absorbs the road shock. So that's not the function of the shock absorber. So shock absorber is a bit of a misnomer. The shock absorber is actually a dampener. It dampens the movement of the spring on the vehicle, and it's all about control. And that's where you get comfort, you get control of your vehicle, and it all boils down to safety at the end of the day. So uprating the suspension of your vehicle, especially an overlanding vehicle or a vehicle that does a lot of 4x4ing, it all boils down to safety. Better suspension to give you better control, safer, get to your destination and get back home again after your trip in one piece.